Well, hello champions, and welcome back to It's DawnyWawnyTime. DawnyWawny is here today with a new video. As y'all know, I was gone for a couple of months off my channel, but I'm back now, and I have already filmed a video. I'm pretty sure by the time you see this video, it should be out there. I will link it somewhere up here and also in the description box, and that's where I give my explanation as to catching you up on what happened in my absence and why. But for now, today, this is a new video, and it's all about an unboxing of the Allure box that I received. So if you're interested in seeing what this is all about, then just keep watching. Okay, so let me share with you how I got this Allure box, okay? I was shopping and I was in Marshall's. Oh, and my hands are so dry. Ah! Anyway, I was in Marshall's, and I just happened to be just in there goofing off, and it was after the holidays, and I had a couple of gift cards that were burning a hole in my pocket, so to speak, and so I just happened to stop off in Marshall's. Well, anyway, while I was in there, I didn't really find anything, but as I was walking out, as I always do, I always go and look down the aisle by the registers, because sometimes you can find some really nice things there. And what I found there was this Allure selfie case. Let me put my girlfriends on. I found this Allure selfie case, okay? And what it is, it's a case that lights up. But the great thing about it was I don't have an iPhone. I've never had an iPhone. I'm a Droid user, and I love the Droid phones. And so, but this one is made for the Samsung Galaxy S8, and that's the phone that I have. So I was very, very interested. Now my daughter, I'm trying to get this lipstick out my teeth. Okay. Now my daughter, she had one of these, and she has an iPhone, and I always wanted one. And I went to Amazon and looked and found it, but I just never ordered it. Well, I saw this at Marshall's, and it was $9.99, which was way cheaper than the one at Amazon. And this is Allure selfie case by Casemate. Lights, camera, selfie in rose gold. So this is what it looks like. Okay, and it has the little hook on the back. Okay, where you kind of like put your hand in there and you just take your selfie. It has, let me just turn it on. Oh, come on. Okay, so there it is, lit up. Okay, and you just take your selfie, and if you hold it down, it dims. So that's, oh wait, I'm holding down. You have to hold it down and see how it just dims. Okay, so that's the lowest setting there. Okay, so, and it takes really, really good pictures. Really good pictures. Like, let's go ahead and take one now. All right, shall we? And so I just really, really love it. I really, really do. And so inside, let me show you the picture that it just took. And so there's the picture there. Really, really, really clear. Oh, I just love it. I just love it. I just love it. But anyway, and so inside the box, they had a little card, and it of course it tells you how to, you know, use it and everything. But here in this section right here, it says Allure. For a limited time only, try 1 month of Allure Beauty Box. 6 or more hand-picked deluxe size beauty products, plus a free 1-year subscription to Allure magazine, compliments of Allure. And then it tells you where to go, and it gives you the promo code. So of course, you know, I'm thinking this is not going to be valid because normally by the time stuff gets to TJ Maxx and Marshalls, it's already marked down for a reason. And they're phasing stuff out to move on to the next new big something, so to speak. And so I'm pretty sure that this is expired already, or they don't have any more boxes. But I decided that I would go ahead and sign up. Well, lo and behold, I got a stinking box for free. And that just blew me away. So yeah, I did go back out there to see if they had any more, because I was willing to pass this code on, but there's no more. So evidently I must be one of the few that received one of the few boxes that they had left. So I'm just gonna open this box, and it says Allure. And by the way, I got this free for buying this $10 selfie case, and I'm getting ready to get a whole year subscription to Allure magazine. And I like Allure magazine. I get a bunch of magazines, y'all. But this is how it was. Of course, I've already opened it, but this is how it is. It came in a separate mailing box. And of course, on the front of it, the first thing that I saw was Jaclyn Hill. And it's talking about Allure's beauty box, exclusive promo codes inside. And so in here, it's just telling you everything about the products, okay? And then I also received Bubble Bar, which is an accessory place, an online accessory place, and it's a $20 gift towards your next full price order on bubblebar.com, plus US shipping and returns are always free. So shipping is free, and I just need to use the code. But so the first thing that was in here is a Morphe brush, and it's the M433 blending brush. Okay, and these are items that are supposed to be Jaclyn Hill's favorites. By the way, on the inside it says I line, therefore I am, which I thought was pretty cool. So I haven't even opened this up yet, but I just recently purchased, since they've been in Ulta, I recently purchased some Morphe brushes, but this is the M433, and it's a full-size brush. It comes with a case, and let's just see if we can't get that. There we go. And so it's a blending brush. So I'm interested to try this, and I do believe on a recent order that I made with Ulta that I picked up this brush. I'm not sure, but I want to say that I did. So I got this brush in the box. Altogether, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 items. Okay, then the second thing that I received is a travel size of the Purity Made Simple face wash. I like this face wash, and so does my daughter and my son-in-law. So yeah, but for travel, I'm going to hold on to this, because here lately I've been wanting to hold on to my travel size stuff, just so that I don't have to tote big stuff when I go traveling. And then I also have the Dior Show Mascara Professional Volume Sur Mesure. Buildable professional volume. So this is a travel size, deluxe size of Dior Show mascara. Never had this, so I'm interested in trying that out. Then I have a deluxe size of the Hourglass Mineral Veil Primer. Love, love, love this primer. Love this primer. So this is something that will get used. Really, really, really holds on to your foundation and your face powder. Then we have the Oral-B Matte Waves Texture Lotion. This is something for your hair. And as a matter of fact, I have the book right here. I can tell you. It says sexy and effortless, 2 words that accompany virtually every description of beach waves. So this is something that's going to give you beach waves, which tells me right there that I cannot use this item in my hair. And it looks like it adds moisture, it holds and defines bends and moisture to smooth freeze. The best part is that you crunch it in damp hair, twist, and air dry. So I'll be passing this on, but that's probably the only one I'll pass on. And then the final item that I received is a travel size of Champagne Pop. Y'all know what Champagne Pop is. That's Jacqueline Hill's, one of her babies. The collaboration she did with Becca, and she created a highlighter named Champagne Pop. I already own this highlighter, so this is something that I will be passing on as well. But for I got it for free. This whole box was free. And then it talks about the Vanish stick on here. But I do not, if I recall, no, there was no coupon or anything for the Vanish stick. But I already have I think it was a 100 point perk from Sephora, and I'm going to be trying this out and giving a review on it. So it was no big deal to get that. So for free, I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 items, and I'm going to use them all except for the hair product. So that's pretty good. And the Morphe brush, yes, definitely. So that's how I got this free box. And so of course, there was inside, once I received this box, I got an email from them saying that, how so glad that, you got one of our free boxes. If you want to sign up for a monthly subscription, it'll be $10 for the first box. So they cut it by $5. So I figure I can give it a try. You know what I mean? And so I signed up to get the Allure box monthly. You can stop at any time, of course. But yeah, I'm interested to see everything, see the things that I get from Allure. And if Allure puts their stamp of approval on it as being a product that they endorse, then it's got to be a pretty decent product, because they have their faves. And their faves are sold everywhere. You know what I mean? A lot of them are sold in a lot of different places, Sephora, Ulta, and you can see it in some of the magazines. It'll say Allure approved or something of that nature. So I'm interested to see what this is going to be. My first box is only going to be $10 and then $15 after that. And I can do a couple of months. Heck, I did Sephora for over a year, and I was hardly ever pleased with that. So I can give Allure a chance. So that is what I wanted to show you guys. That's going to be it for this video. I want to thank you all for watching. Please hit that subscribe button. Give it a thumbs up if you care for this video. If you like these type of unboxings, just let me know. Why? Okay, I keep seeing lipstick on my teeth, and it's just not y'all know I have issues with that. You know I have issues with that. But anyway, so thank you very much for your time today. And as always, champions, do the best that you can do with what you have to work with, but always keep it positive. Mwah! Smooches!